In the midst of abundance, there's scarcity. Water covers 2/3 of our planet, yet millions of people in rural and marginal areas of cities in Latin America, the Caribbean, and Asia don't have adequate drinking water and basic sanitation. The causes of what could be considered a worldwide water crisis are many.
It stems from a combination of the fact that water is vital for life, and second, that it is a scarce resource. I would probably add a third element, and that is the fact that we, the humans, mankind, are contributing to making the problem worse.
Aware of the severity of the problem, world leaders signed the United Nations Millennium Declaration in September of 2000 to ensure environmental sustainability. One of the goals is to preserve and maintain the environment and the planet's drinking water. The Inter-American Development Bank has taken an active role in assisting the developing countries in achieving this goal.
We are supporting countries in the drafting of their strategies, integrated strategies for water resource management. We are supporting them through specific operations.
If these goals are not met, the consequences could be catastrophic for humanity.
Well, there are several consequences. The first have to do with the problem of water itself, meaning that you will have more than 1 billion people that will not have access to potable water, and more than 2 billion people that will not have access to basic sanitation.
The solution to the problem faces many challenges.
They are very local in the sense that the availability of water, how expensive it is to get the water, whether you have pipe water, whether you have people who are already selling the water, or reselling the water in some cases because they have access.
A Central American country, Costa Rica, has achieved a great deal in the realm of providing adequate drinking water for its population.
In the case of Costa Rica, we abolished the army in 1949, and since that time our country has been investing 60–70% of the national budget in education and health. And because the water supply and the wastewater system belong to the health sector, in the case of water supply, right now we have about 97.5% of coverage in the whole country.
The problem of preserving and maintaining our water supply and environment is of concern to the entire human population. Experts agree that the only way to solve the crisis is by creating a culture of water, because one of the main problems that we face is the fact that we don't give our water supply, the liquid that gives life and preserves humanity, the importance it deserves.